what we're going to do is volume. Now, when you talk about volume, honestly, volume is much easier lah. So if you think that area is very difficult, which is quite true, because when you talk about area, like you look at this diagram, if I ask you to calculate the area of the first one, let's say the area of the first one, this one, you got to find six side, okay? You have to find six sides for the area. And you are asked to find the area of this prism, you're gonna find one, two, three, four, five sides, So area is really very troublesome, yeah, troublesome. Now I'm going to do volume, and you realize that it is not so difficult, especially when the volume is a prism, okay? Prism. Now, how do you do volume for a prism? For a particular prism, you must make sure that most of the time, I tell you, most of the time they give you prism. But when there's no prism, then you got to find out how you calculate, okay? If not, if it's a prism, your volume is very easy. So you look at the first one, for example. The first one, this is actually a square, isn't it? This is actually a square. For a square, is a prism. The reason why I say it's a prism, I think I told you last week, prism, there are two sides the same. So either now, probably you can actually take the front side. The front side and the back side is the same, isn't it? Am I right? So if I ask you to find the volume of this, all you need to do is to take one of the side which is the same to calculate the area. So you can actually calculate the area of length times breadth. That is the area, okay? After you calculate the length and breadth, all you need to do is times the line that is joining the two, the front and the back, that join together by that particular length. So this is the length. So in this case, the volume is actually length times breadth times the length. So isn't it? It's just like L times L times L, right? Okay. So this is straightforward, yeah. But what happens if I have a rectangle? What happens if I have a rectangle? So if I ask you the same question, okay, where is the prism? The prism will be the front, not the front and the back. I can actually take this, front. I can take this, right? This is the front. So if I say this, if this is the front, then where is the back? The back is behind, isn't it? So you notice that the front and the back is the same. The moment you have two sides the same, and then you have a line joining the front and the back, that is a prism. So if I ask you, how do you find the volume of the rectangle? Again, the same thing, right? Look for the area of the one side which is the same as the back side. So the front side, to find the area, is length times breadth. Okay, length times breadth. Then I told you take the length, take the length times breadth. So in that case, it's length times height. Sorry, this is not okay. This is wrong. This is wrong. I take away first. Let me this. It's actually not length times breadth. It's actually length times the height. If I ask you to find the area of the front, is actually length times the height, isn't it? Length times the height. Then what is the one that is joining the front and the back, which is the breadth, isn't it? B, right? So it's actually length times breadth times B. This is a volume. Yeah. So it's a prism is always take the area of one of the side, which is prism you have
Hi,
two
Mr.
sides.
Wong.
Hi.
Hi, Mr. Wong. Manjula, yeah, I
Okay.
just came in.
Thank you. I'm recording, Manjula. I'm recording.
Okay.
Okay. Now, I told you, right? You when you're finding the volume, always take the area of one side of the prism. Prism you got two sides. Take the area of the one side. In this case, is a length times h, isn't it? And then you take times the width, the line that is joining the two sides, which is the same. In this case, is B. So you have length times breadth times B. Yeah. Okay. Next one. Next one you have triangle. Okay. Triangle. Okay. Look at this. Now, if I ask you this question, is this a prism? Is this a prism? This is a prism. The reason why this is a prism because your two sides the same. Where is the two sides the same? The triangle. This triangle and this triangle is the same, isn't it? Am I right? So I told you, right? To find the volume of the prism, just take first of all the area of the one of the side. In this case, is a triangle, right? So to find the area of the prism in this case is half. you take the area of triangle first, half base times the height. Now, where is the length that is joining two sides the same? The length that is joining the two sides the same, the two prisms the same, which is L, isn't it? The length, right? That's the length, isn't it? So you have half base times height times the L. So that's the volume. Straightforward. Once you know this, any prism that I give you will be the same. It will be the same. So example, if I give you one volume, which is not a rectangle, which is not a square, which is not a triangle prism or triangular prism, but it is a step. Let's say, for example, it's a step. If I give you this step, okay? Let's say I give you this to you. You look very carefully. Look very carefully. Okay, can you see this? This is a step, right? Yeah, can you see that this is a step? Yeah. Is this a prism? The answer is this is a prism. Why? Because the front and the behind this prism, behind the steps, the sides are the same. You notice, isn't it? Right? So you have two sides the same, and it is joined by what? It's actually joined by this line. It's actually joined by this line, Do you notice that? Can you see that it's joined by this line? Okay. So if I ask you what is the volume of this prism, this step, how do you calculate? Very easy. All you need to do is to calculate, first of all, just calculate the area of the three front, the area of one box, one area, two area, three area, add them all together, and then you times the length. Yeah, that is your volume already. It's the same, isn't it? Right? So you notice for your volume, as long as it is a prism, it's very simple to do. Just find the area of one side times the length which is joining the two sides together. That is your volume. So if I give you a cylinder, let's say for example, if I give you another cylinder, okay? Isn't it? Okay. So how do you find the volume of the cylinder? This is a cylinder. So if I ask you a question again, is this a prism? Is this a prism? The answer is yes. The reason is this side and this side is the same, isn't it? So two sides are the same. So all you need to do is to find the area of one side. In this case, it's a circle, right? So it is pi r squared. Okay. But if I ask you to find the volume, not finished yet. To join these two sides together, this side and the front side and the back side together, this is your length, isn't it? This is your length, right? To join the two sides together, you need a length, isn't it? So to find the volume will be pi r squared times the L. This is your volume. Yeah. Is it very difficult? Anybody want to ask me anything? Free to ask now.
Hello, Mr. Wong.
Yes.
I don't really understand. How do you see if it's a prism?
Okay.
Is it because it's like a 3D thing?
Okay, very good. Christine Chi, is it? Christine, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now, yeah, you're quite right. You're quite right. When it comes to volume, it must be a 3D. Very good question. When it comes to a volume, it must be a 3D. When it comes to area, not necessarily so. But when it comes to calculate volume, it must be a 3D. Okay. So when it comes to calculate the volume of a prism, like I said, there are many things you can calculate. But when it comes to calculating a prism, I told you how I define a prism for you, right? How do I define a prism? The prism must have two sides the same. The front side and the back side must be the same. Okay. So all you need to do is to find the area of one side, and then you times the length that is joining the two sides together. That will be your volume already. Yeah. So like I say, I'm going to draw this again. I'm just you don't understand. I'm going to take it away. Okay, take this one away. I'm going to take this away. Yeah, I am going to draw. Now you follow how I define a prism. Like I said, I am going to draw. I'm going to draw maybe a box lah. I'm going to draw a box. Okay, this is a box. This is a box, right? I'm going to draw a box. This is a box. Can you see that this is a box? Okay. Now, okay, there are actually many two sides the same, right? But I just take two sides the same. I know that there are many two sides the same, top and the bottom, the left and the right, But all you need to do is to just take two sides the same. So I'm going to take the top. I'm going to take the top. The top and the bottom is the same. Do you agree? Do you agree? Top and bottom the same, right? Now, if I ask you to find the volume of this box, all I need to do is, for example, if the box of length is A, the breadth is B, so first of all, I'll take the area of one side. You just take one side will do, If on top is A and B, of course, the bottom is still A and B because they're the same. Okay. But all you need to do to find the prism, the volume of a prism, all you need to do is to find one area of one side, and then you times the length that join the two faces together. In this case, is this one, isn't it? I'll call this as H. Okay. So to find the volume of this box, I will take length A times B, and then you must times the length that is joining the two faces together. In this case, the height, isn't it? So A times B times H. This will be your volume for the box, right? Question?
Mr. Wong?
Yep. Manjula, yes.
Yeah, what is the meaning of cross section? The cross section.
Cross section refers. Okay, your cross section area refers to one of the sides. The cross section area refers to your side. Can you tell now area of the cross section in this case? You are thinking about your one side, in this case one face. The cross section, this one. Can you see this? Volume of in this case, if you're talking about the triangular prism, area of the cross section refers to one side of the face. This side, one side.
The face in front, one side is called cross section.
Yeah. So your cross section can be taken as you can consider it as a face, one side of the face.
Okay.
Good question, Manjula. Very good question. Any other question? Any other question? Okay, now based on that, let us do, okay?
Mr. Wong?
Oh, yep. Yes,
what page number is this?
This one is on page, let me check, this is on page 228. 228. Any other question? Okay, let us look at it. Now you look at this very carefully. Don't look at the solution. You don't need to look at the solution. Okay. Now I ask you a question first of all. Is this a prism?
It is a
How
prism.
come you say this is a prism? Where are the two
Yes.
sides the same? Okay, good. Where are the two sides the same?
Top and
Top and the
bottom.
bottom, sir.
Very
Bottom.
good. The
Top,
top
bottom,
and the bottom.
side.
So, okay, the top and the bottom are the sides the same or not?
At the
Same.
yeah, same.
No. The sides are not the same because they're all curved. Only the top and the bottom, they're all curved in. One is curved to the left, the other one is curved to the right, right? So the moment one curved to the, like in this case, the side, this is curved to the left, this is curved to the right. So these two sides are considered different, because they are not curving at the same side. One is curved to the left, the other is curved to the right. So the two sides are actually different. Yeah, but the top and the bottom, you all agree is the same. Yeah. So Is this a prism? The answer is yes, it's a prism. Now I want you to look at one side, okay? I want you to look at one side. When you look at this side, can you tell me what is the shape of that the area? So if I ask you to find the volume, you just have to find the area of one of the cross-sectional area, right? One of the face, right? And then you times the height, isn't it? Right? So when you look at this, can you tell me what shape is this? Can you tell me what shape is this?
Trapezium.
Very good. This is a trapezium. Can you tell me what is the excuse me? Can you tell me what is the now, by the way, the 8 here refers to the the height of the trapezium, okay, which is not 3D lah. It's supposed to be the height of the trapezium. Now, can you tell me what is the formula for trapezium?
Half
Time.
Base time height.
Very good. That is this is the area of the trapezium, right? Okay, now you tell me what is A and B. What is A?
A is
20.
Yes.
Very good. 20. What is B?
40.
Say again.
45.
Very good. 45. What is the height of the trapezium?
30.
30 cm.
No, it's not.
8.
It's 8.
Eight.
8, right? Okay. Now, this is the area of the trapezium. I told you, isn't it? To find the volume, all you need to do is to times the one side of the trapezium, one side of the cross-sectional area. The area, one side times the length that is joining the two sides together. So, can you tell me what is the length that is joining the top and the bottom together?
30.
What?
30.
30.
So this is your volume, no? This is a volume, no? Can you see that?
Oh.
So you don't need to remember any formula one. You don't need to remember any formula. All you need to do for a trapezium, look for a cross-sectional area times the length that is joining the two sides together. So in this case, okay, I want you to take out a calculator, anybody. Can you just press and then tell me what is the answer?
7,800.
7,800, is it? Confirm? Anybody confirm?
Yeah, 7,800.
Okay, you see, you times up, you get your answer to be, can you see that? Yeah, sure, correct one. Yeah.
Base area times length.
Volume is very easy. Very, very easy.
Mr. Wong?
Yes?
Can you scroll up? I'm not done copying yet.
Yeah, this one, So you all notice, so if I ask you, do you prefer to calculate volume or do you prefer to calculate the area of the total surface area? Definitely the answer is volume. Yeah, volume is very easy to calculate. Yeah, very easy. As long as you can identify the prism, the two sides, and then you times the length, then you get the answer already. Yeah, okay?
Yeah, Mr. Wang, don't mind, can show the below the formula.
Don't remember formula. I told you, right? Don't try to remember formula. Don't try to remember.
I just write down.
Yeah, I'll show you. Wait, I make it smaller so that everybody can see. Yeah.
Thank you.
要不然你要学啦吼，那个 lesson 跟他学上来啦，好不好？你可不可以今晚我就当场教你？
Wait.
啊？
Mike, please.
你是可以 complete 的啦。
Where? I need you all to switch off your mic when you're not talking, please. Or else everything will be recorded, Got it? All got it? Yeah. Can I move on, Darwin?
Sure, Mr. Wong, can.
Okay, I move on already. Move on to the top. Yeah. Okay. Now, let's look. Let's see what they want now. A triangular prism of volume 210 cm has a length of 14 cm times base 10 cm. What is the height now? Triangular prism means like that, it's actually like that, okay, like that, yeah, okay. So the triangular prism of volume, so inside, yeah, the whole volume of this triangular, this prism, my drawing is not very good. Actually look like this lah. I mean, I can't really draw. Your triangular prism is actually this one. It's actually this one, okay? Yeah, this one. Yeah, this is a triangular prism, yeah? My drawing is not very good. Okay, maybe I just follow what they did lah, yeah? Okay, let me take it away first, yeah? Okay, let's draw the triangular prism. It's actually like that. The triangle prism is like that, yeah, like that, and then this is a triangle prism. Do you agree? Yeah. So this is at the back, this is the back. Okay. Now the volume is 210. So the total volume inside is actually 210 cm cube. Has a length of 14 cm and a base of 10 cm. What is the height? Now the length 14 length half base times height. What is the height? I don't exactly know. Oh, they actually ask you to find the height of the triangle. So in this case, the length this is 14. Okay, from here to here is 14 cm. The base of the triangle is 10. Yeah, you're supposed to find the height of the prism. Yeah, okay. So this is what you're supposed to calculate. In this case, it is supposed to be an h. This is an h, isn't it? So if you base on the formula, the formula is always cross-section. The volume of the prism is actually cross-sectional area times the length, isn't it? Right. So in this case, the volume is actually cross-sectional area is actually half base times the height times the total length. Yeah. But in this case, they ask you to find h. This is h. They ask you to find the height. What is the height of the triangular prism? Yeah. So they actually ask you to find h, which you can see from the diagram. Now, but the volume already given to you, isn't it? So what is the volume? The volume is actually 210. Yeah, I mean you can just follow here since then 210 half. What is the base? Base in this case is 10, isn't it? Right? Half base. Now apparently height you're supposed to find. The L is the one that is joining the front face to the back face. The front face to the back face, which is 14, isn't it? Right? So all you need to do, you do across to get 70. I don't know whether you need how you get 40. It's actually 10 times 100, 10 times 14 divided by 2, you get 78. And then you do a cross multiply. H will be, so you have 210 equals to 70h. What is h? H is equals to 210 divided by 70, isn't it? That's why you have 3 cm. Yeah. Okay. In this case, instead of finding the volume, they ask you to find the height of the triangular prism. Yeah, which is slightly different from the straightforward question where they ask you to find the volume. But in this case, they ask you to find the height of the triangular prism. But it can be a circle, it can be a cylinder. No, I can ask you to find the radius of the. I can ask you to find the radius of the surface area of the circle. But I can give you the volume. But I can ask you to find the radius of the surface area of the cylinder. So it can be that also, yeah. But in this case, you have to find the height of the triangular prism, yeah. Okay, yeah, this one straightforward lah, yeah, not difficult, yeah. All right, yeah. I don't want you to remember the formula. Never try to remember formula. Okay, if you try to remember formula, I tell you go to the examination room. You got a lot of things to remember. Don't try to do that, okay? You must always understand how you find the volume. You will be able to do. You don't need to remember any formula. Okay, they ask you to say, volume of the cylinder. Volume of the cylinder is actually pi r squared times h. Why is it pi r squared times h? You see, now, if I ask you to find the volume of the cylinder, I told you, right, you must first of all identify, is this a prism? So, maybe you tell me now, is this a prism? Is this a prism? This diagram?
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Top at the bottom is the same, isn't it? You all agree at the bottom is the same, right?
Agree.
All you need to do is to find the area of one side, which is in this case a circle, right? So to find the area of one side is pi r squared. Yeah. And then I told you, right, if you want to find the volume, you just have to times the height, the length, joining the two surfaces together. In this case is h, isn't it? This is the one that is joining the top and the bottom together, right? So you just take the one area times the height. This is a volume already. So do you really need to remember the formula? Can you see this formula here? Do you really need to remember it?
No, actually it's the same as the.
It's the same. Yeah. You don't need to remember the formula. Okay. But they give you a square box. Square box. You know, last time when I was a student, a long time ago, I remember all my maths book always come with formula. Circle the formula, and then I tell you, being a young kid, we remember formula by heart. Very stupid. Okay, it's not the way to do it. In the end, you go to the examination room, you cram yourself with so many formula. You go in your examination rooms, and the moment you forget a formula, you can't do. Isn't that right? So you must understand how you get it. Then it'll be easier for you to go to the examination room. You don't need to remember anything. You look at it, identify the prism, identify the surface area, identify the length that is joining the two surface area together. You times and get the answer already. Yeah. So you don't need to remember formula. But of course, anyone who try to remember formula, I won't stop you lah. If you want to remember this for a cylinder, I won't stop you. But no need lah. Okay, no need. Yeah. Is it all right? Next one, Next one. Okay. This one only very easy lah. Okay. Yeah. Let's look at this. Okay. I'm going to put it here. I'm not going to show you the working. Okay. Now this is a cylinder. Why this is a cylinder? Ask yourself first of all. Ask yourself, is this a prism?
Yes.
How come? How come it's a prism?
Because top and bottom is the same.
Yeah, because the top, the left and the right is the same, isn't it? Right? The left and right is the same. So can you tell me the left and right, what kind of shape is that? You cannot tell me that this is an oval shape. It's not oval shape.
Circle.
It's a three.
Circle.
Yeah, it's a circle.
Surface.
Circle.
So if I make it into facing you, it's actually a circle, right? Isn't it?
Yeah.
When I make it face you, it's a circle. Okay. Now, how do you find the area of one side? Pi.
Pi times area of circle is pi r squared.
Okay. How to find the volume? Times what? Times
Times
Height.
the length that's joining the two surfaces together, right? Yeah, the length that is joining the two surfaces together. What is the length that's joining the two surfaces together?
20.
20, isn't it? Right? So no need to remember formula. What is pi?
3.142.
Okay, you all know that pi is 3.142. In the exam, if they give you pi is equal to 3.142, please don't go and press your calculator. I know that your calculator got one pi like that. You see your calculator, you got one pi. There's one button there. Don't go and press it. The moment you press it, you get a zero. No, the reason is this. Because the calculator pi is 3.141 something. So when you press the answer is going to be different. Okay, so don't use that one. You must go to your calculator and type 3.142 times. Now, R stands for radius, right? But they give you the diameter 10, so you cannot use 10. You should be using what?
5.
Yeah, you should be using 5 because radius is always divided by 2, right? So in this case, it's 5 squared times what?
Times
20.
Answer lor. Can you tell me what's the answer? Can somebody press, please?
1571.
Yeah, 1571. What is the unit?
cm squared.
cm squared cube.
cm
Cube. Can you tell me why cube?
Because it's area.
Because it's a cylinder.
Because it's a volume, right?
Volume, because volume. Two sides.
Volume.
Yeah, volume, you need to be a cube. Volume, need to be a cube. Yeah, okay. Very simple, isn't it? All these are very simple. That's your answer. Okay. I find something. This one okay lah. This one interesting. This one interesting. Okay. Do this. Yeah. Let me see. This one interesting. A canned drink is a cylinder. If you buy a Coca-Cola can, Pepsi can, the can is a cylinder, isn't it? It's like that, right? Canned drink, isn't it? Yeah. A canned drink has a volume of 350 cm. So the volume inside, if you buy Coca-Cola, 350 cm cube. It has a length of 12 cm. The length here talks about the top and the bottom. The height of the can, 12 cm. You're supposed to find the radius. Find the radius of the base. That means you're supposed to find what is the radius of the can there. Radius. Okay. Excuse me. Well, that's in the room. Okay. Can you tell me how do you do this now? You're supposed to find the radius of the can drink. Okay. What if I ask you to find the volume of the can? You know that volume is equals to the cross-section area is the top and the bottom, right? The top is actually, the top is the area of a circle, is pi r square, isn't it? Pi r square. What is the length? The length is 12, right? 12. Okay. What is pi?
3.142.
Yeah, 3.142. Okay, by the way, what is the volume?
Volume is 350.
350, times r is not given, right? You're supposed to find the radius, isn't it? Times 12. Now, I'll show you how you do. Now, in this case, what is the first thing you need to do? I'm going to show you the answer. What is the first thing you need to do? Okay, I want you to use a calculator. Take your calculator, take 3.142 times 12. Equals to, take 3.142 times 12.
37.704.
37.704.
704 cm.
04 r square, right? Now, in this case, your r square, because what you want is r, it's not r square. So bring the 37.704 the other side first. So what do you have? If I bring it over there, if I bring over there, it will be r square equals to what?
Equals to 350
350
divided
Divide
by
by
37.704.
37.704, right? What is the answer? What is the answer for that, please? What's the answer for
9.28.
28.
9 point what?
28.
2828. That's all.
3472.
Okay lah, make it longer lah. 34, make it more accurate ma. 34 7
12.
12. Okay.
Five.
Now 1 2 is it? 1 2 1 lah.
1 to 5.
1 2 1 lah.
1
Okay,
to 5,
now-
sir.
Okay, now you need to find r. You don't want r square, no? You want r, right? You see, they want r. Find the radius. This is r. Find the radius again. This radius means r only. So r square cannot. Now r square. Now this is a square. The moment you bring the square over, it become opposite. Just like if it's a plus, you bring over the equal become a minus. Times bring over become divide. Minus bring over become plus. Square bring over become what? What is the opposite of square?
Square root.
Very good. Square bring over the equal becomes square root. So what do you have? You have 9.2828347121. Now how do you get square root? You cannot use manual and try to get answer. Right now you're gonna look for your calculator. In the calculator, there's one button. Look like that.
Yeah.
You have or not? You know whether you have or not? Yeah. So all you need to do is just type 9.28283472, and then you press this button. You will have the answer. Yeah. What is the answer?
3.4677447.
So long. But did they ask you for significant figure or not? Let me see. They never say significant figure, right? They never, right? So let's say, for example, if this is your answer, there are a few ways you can do. You can actually leave it to two decimal places. Two decimal places. So in this case, 6 you bring over become 5, right? So become 3.05. Yeah. Or if you want 3, then you're going to put two decimal places. Two decimal places. If you want it to be 3 decimal places, it can be 3.0047, right? 3 decimal places. So you must put it down. You must put down how many decimal places are you using. provided they never tell you lah. So you choose lah. Okay, I just use 3 decimal places lah. If you want to use significant places, also can. Okay, this is considered 3 significant. This is a 3 significant place. This is a 4th significant place. Yeah. So significant place, you always calculate the number. You always look at the number in front. Question? You understand how you use square root?
Mr. Wong,
Square root. Yep.
still copying.
You're still copying, okay. Now you must know how to do this. You all must know how to change from a square root, square. The moment you bring over the equal, become a square root. Okay, you must know this. Okay, if I have a square root, if I bring over the square root, become what? Square become a square root. Square root become a square. That means opposite law. It's always opposite. Okay. If it's a square, it becomes a square root. If it's a square root, it becomes a square. Yeah. Is it okay? Right. Hello. It's always opposite. The moment you bring over the equal, it's always opposite. Yeah.
Mr. Wong?
Yep.
So the answer is like 3.05, right?
3.05. Yeah, 2 decimal place. 3 decimal place, 3.047. Yeah, depends. So,
So,
okay. So, yeah.
yeah, Mr. Wong, is this these steps will only come, is it for volume only or for other?
For which one? What do you say again? Can you say again?
I mean, these steps, right? The radius, to find the radius and to go to the square root, right?
Yeah.
It only appears in the volume or?
Well, not necessarily. It can be anywhere. It can be anywhere. Yeah. So do not think that the square root only appear in volume or area.
Mr. Wong?
Yes.
How do you get 3. Oh, is the 3.047, is it the 3.046 round off that one?
Yeah, that one is a round off. It's a 3 decimal place, man. It's a round out. Yes. Round up.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, correct. That's a round up, man. Okay, I'll move forward. Find the volume. Okay, let's look at this. Okay. All right, look at this. You see, the total surface area of a volume of a composite solid. Now, what is the meaning of the word composite? The word composite means a few surfaces joined together. A few surfaces joined together. Composite means add on. Okay, add on. So it might not be so simple like you have a cylinder, or you might have a cube, or you might have a triangular prism. Not so simple. Okay, the more difficult one are the composite solid. Composite solid, you realize the shapes are not triangular. It's a very irregular one. But you can still find the prism. You can still find. Okay, so I'm going to show you one example. Okay, yeah. Let us do this together. I'm going to bring here. Put this aside. Don't know whether I can put it aside. Wait, put it aside. Okay. I am going to take out my this one. Okay. Can you all see? Let's do this. Okay.
Can.
Okay. Now there are 2 things you need to do. The first thing, you need to find the surface area. Surface area. Yeah. Okay. Now let us do the first one. Then you will know how complicated when it comes to surface area. Now you look at this. Okay. Wow. Can you see there are so many surface areas? You notice? Front, back, top, bottom, everywhere. So if I were you, okay I will name them as I'll put this way but you can actually use your pen or pencil and draw the hidden edge behind. So this one is the okay. It looks something like that, right? Do you agree? Do you agree or not?
I agree.
It looks something like that from the back, right? So you do one at a time. Now, if you find the surface area like that, it is very difficult to write down on a piece of paper in the exam. Which one are you referring to, right? So if I were you, I'll name them. I'll name them, no, A, B, C,
C, D,
D, E, F, then maybe below G,
H.
H, then this one I, J. Can you see that? Every point got a number. Do you understand? Question?
Okay.
It
Okay.
doesn't matter how you name. Yeah, it doesn't matter how you name them, but try to name them in such a way start from A, then you start to go round it, okay? Now let us do the first one. I am going to do area of A, B, C, D first. Can you see it now? Find the total surface area. What is the surface
Yes.
area of A, B, C, D? Okay. Area of A, B, C, D. Okay, give me the answer. What's A, B, C, D? Can you give me the figure?
8 times 18.
Very good. 8 times 18. Answer, please. Calculator. I also take out my calculator to help you.
144.
Wow. Okay, you calculate 144. I'll assume that you are correct.
Yeah, 144. So
Okay, 144 what? 144 what?
cm
C-
square.
Cn square.
Very good. So one side already, Now, do you agree with me that, okay, the final, okay, you have A, B, C, D, Let us look at a triangle first, okay? Now, area of triangle, triangle.
Half is
No, wait, first, I'm going to delete this one. Now, do you agree that A, B, C, D is 144? Do you agree with me that B, behind are also the same, right?
Yeah,
Area
behind is same.
of E, F, G, H. E,
I,
F, G,
G,
H.
H.
also the
Is it
same.
also? So I'll just put 144. Can or not?
Yeah.
Is it okay? Yeah. So you
Can,
find two already,
yeah.
isn't it? So the
Yeah,
front and the
two.
back done. Okay, front back done. Now the next one, area of CBI. Okay, area of which is a triangle, right? CBI is a triangle, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay, I'll put CBI equals a half base times height, right?
Yeah.
Which is half. What is base?
Base is 10.
10.
Height
What is
is 8.
Height is 8.
8.
Answer? 5, 2,
160.
5, 5 and 8, 40,
40.
right?
40.
Yeah.
40.
Okay. Okay, now, do you agree with me that area, behind also the same, right?
Yeah, behind.
FG,
F,
triangle
F,
F,
G,
G,
J.
J, also equals to 40. Do you agree?
Agree.
Okay, so you have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now I'm going to look at the top, the top. Okay, the top. What is the area of CDEF? Area CDEF. Area CDEF. Answer?
20
20
times 18.
Very good. 20 times 18. Give you?
360.
Sorry?
360.
80, 36 times 10, 360, cm square. All right. Do you agree, man, that the top, the bottom also the same? The bottom.
Yes.
So area of ABGH, right? Yeah. ABGH, What is ABGH? GH, right? Do you agree that it's also 360?
Yes.
cm square? Okay, another one, top and bottom the same. Okay. Now I'm going to look at the other one. So when you do this, you've got to be very careful, one by one. Now I'm going to do area of BGJI.
I also can, right?
BGJI. Give me.
B is 10
10 times.
times
20.
20.
Very good. 10 times 20.
20.
20, right? 20, isn't
Yes.
it?
Yeah,
Yes.
because the other side,
So
the
you
length.
have 200 cm square, right?
Yes.
Now, okay, now the top is different now because it's slanting, right? So they are different, am I
Yeah.
right? Okay,
Yes.
so the next one is area of CFJI.
I
Give me this one.
CFJI.
is 20
12.8
times 18
20 times.
times 12.8.
Very good. 20
12.8.
times 12.8. Answer. Kick out calculator, please.
256.
256, huh?
Yes.
256, okay. 256 cm square. Okay, confirm. So you have one more side, isn't it? You have only have one more side, which is you have area of one. The last one on the left, you have A what? A H A D E H
C
A D E H, right?
A D.
Yes.
You have give me
20 times 8.
times 8. What is the answer?
160.
160. No more already, isn't it?
Yeah.
No more, right? No more, right? Okay, take out your calculator, add them all up together. Total area
Plus
equals to, what's the answer? Take out calculator, please.
C F. Mr. Wong, that one C F G B, that one no need to do.
I thought we do already what? CF
Do already.
no, cannot. You know why cannot that one? You know why
No.
CFGB cannot? Can you tell me why cannot?
because it is a triangle.
Yeah, because it's inside. It's
Oh.
inside. This is a solid, it's not like the box is empty. This is a solid piece. So inside one, CFGB, you cannot calculate because it's inside the block.
Oh,
Inside
okay.
you cannot calculate.
Okay. Understood. Thank you.
So total area is 1,704.
1,000, you add them all.
1704.
Huh?
1,704.
1704.
1704
Yes, sir.
cm square. So answer lor. Easy or not? So you see, if you don't know how to name if you don't know how does it look like, all you need to do is just name A, B, C, D, and then you can calculate already. You understand? So if I'm the marker, I will just look at your final answer. This one, that's all. Yeah. If you get it wrong, let's say for example your final answer is get it wrong, then I will check which part is it that you get it wrong. Is it this one, this one, this one? I can check very easily. So in the end, okay, you get it wrong, maybe this one only so I just minus 1 mark. For example, just my example. Yeah. Okay. Question. Yeah, you can just put like that. You can calculate already. You don't need to name them. It's just that they name them. Surface area of a cuboid. What surface area of triangular prism. This plus that. Don't know what they are calculating. You look at this. You look at this itself. You got to look. You don't know what they're calculating because they add here, add there. You don't know what they are, isn't it? Right? But when you name them A, B, C, D, it's very clear which one you're doing, isn't it? Right? Is it okay, all of you? Question? No question? Sure? No? No? Okay. Can I do the next one now? Volume? I enjoy doing volume. I hate
Mr. Wong,
Yeah? Yes? Yes?
is this for this question? Is it for the number A or B?
This one is A. Surface area. This is only A. Surface area. A.
Yes. Sorry, just now my computer jammed.
Oh, this is A. This is A. Question? No question. We do B already. B very easy I tell you. Yeah, I don't need all this. Just erase a bit first. I don't need all this. Just a moment. Yeah. Okay. All right. Can now I'll just leave it there first. I'll tell you why. Okay. I want you to look at this diagram. Now it's also find the volume. The next question is find the volume. Okay. This is your next question. Find the volume. Yeah. Okay. Find the volume. All right. Look at this. Okay. I ask you one question. Okay. Is this a prism? Is this a prism?
Yeah.
Why do you say,
Yes.
why do you say yes? Whoever.
Because the sides
The sides are the
the
same. Top and bottom.
same.
Wow, same. Okay. Then where's the same now?
A B C D
ABCD then?
F H G.
Any more? Any more?
Then B
Mm,
B I F
B I F
F
G
G J
I what?
E
I
C B I.
CEI and
CBI and FGJ is the same triangle.
okay. Do you all agree with me in this case? A B I C D. This side is the same as the other side. Same or not?
Yes.
A I C D is the same as E F J G H, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So is this a prism?
Yes.
Yes.
So this is a prism, right? So all
Yeah.
you need to do is to find the area of find the area of ABCD plus BIC. Find the total area, then you times the length that is joining the two sides the same. What is the length that is joining the two sides the same? What's the length?
18.
18. Join the
18, then
plus.
No. Wait. I repeat again. Now, all you need to do is to find the area of this. Find the area of this. Total area, right? Area of the rectangle plus area of the triangle. Then you times what? Times what?
Times half.
the height
Times what?
times the length.
What is the length?
28, sir. Because
Very
28.
yeah,
Because
this
18
one.
plus 10.
28. Where's
Hey.
28?
Hey, no, 10
Okay.
half time base 10.
Length is
No. You all don't get what you don't understand what I'm saying. Okay, now I remember I keep telling you all to find you must first of all define where are the surfaces that are the same. The front and the back, isn't it? The front and the back.
Yes. Yes.
A, B, I, C, D is the same as the one behind, right? Okay.
Yeah.
So all you need to do is to find this total area first. Am I right?
Yeah.
Find one. Yeah.
Yeah.
So now this area is where is ABCD? ABCD is actually this one, right? Yeah. ABCD is actually this one. Do you agree now?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. CBI, CBI is actually this one, isn't it?
40.
This one, right? You agree?
Yeah. Agree.
So you add these two together, you have a total area already, right?
Yes.
Am I right? So what is 144 plus 40?
184.
184.
184. Okay, now where is the length that join the front and the back together? Where is the length? 184 times what?
20.
Yeah,
know it's
right.
20,
Who is the
no?
one who said 20?
Li Ling.
Who's the one? Yi Ling, you're right. Very good. So you just have to take 184 times 20. That will be the volume already, no? Yeah.
Oh.
You understand? That's why I keep telling
Understand.
you. All you need to do is to define where is the front and where is the back. And then you just times the length that join these two together. That's your answer. It's always like that. Yeah. You understand? So what is 184 times 20? Can you give me the answer, somebody?
3680.
3680, right? Do they have 3680 below there?
I don't know.
Yeah.
3680. Right, sir. 3680.
Yeah. You see, I don't even bother what they do. Or I know that the moment it is the prism, you just have to take the surface area of one side times the length that join the join to the other side. you have the volume already. You don't care what shape is it, yeah. But you got to be very careful. You must identify where is the side that is the same. If you think okay, if you all think that this one, I'm going to erase this, okay? I'm going to erase this. I'm trying to say something. Let's say, for example, if you all think that, oh, the one that is the same is the top and the bottom. Do you all agree or not? Is the top, is the top here, the top, and the bottom the same or not? The base, same or not?
Different.
Why different?
Because the one half.
Yeah, that one is half only, is a curve, like a triangle. You know, this part is different. Where is the part that is different? The part that is different is here, no? It's
The triangle side.
The triangle, yeah, the triangle side, which is this one, which is I try to get a color out. Which is actually this one there. This one is the different. This is the one that is different, you know. At the bottom is flat, right? The top is a curve, is
Yes.
sliding, you know. Yeah, so it's different, yeah. So you cannot say that the top and the bottom is the same. It's different because this one is curved. But the one that is the same is actually the side. This is different, right? So the one that is the same is actually the side, which is this one. This one and
Front
this one
and back.
and the back, yeah. So you must identify the two sides that are the same. The moment you identify the two sides are the same, you can do already. Very easy only. Volume is very easy when it comes to prism, especially when it comes to composite side, okay? So don't be scared by the composite side. It's actually very simple. In fact, the composite side find area very tough, like you'll see for yourself, right? Very tough. Why? You'll find one by one. But when it comes to volume for the composite side, it's very simple. Yeah. Question?
Sir?
Siva?
Sir, the calculation done already, but the 3/6 something, sir. But the method, how to write that this one? Can I put total surface plus then times by 20? Or must write any statement?
Yeah, you can say that, okay, area of ABCD is this, area of like I said, area of ABCD is this, area of CBI just now remember. Then you say the total volume, the total surface area 144 plus 40 times the length, which is 20.
Plus length is 20 cm. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. I'm asking the method. Okay, sir. Thank you.
So if you ask to write, let's say for example, like Siva mentioned, how to write? Okay, total surface area. Just say total cross-sectional area. Remember just now, Manjula asked me, right? What is this cross-sectional area? Can you remember? Manjula, you asked me this question, right? So you just say total.
Yeah.
Total of cross-sectional area is equals to what? 144 times 40, right? 144 plus 40. 144 plus 40 equals to 184 cm square, okay? Volume is equals to volume of the composite solid is equals to 184 times the length, which is 184 times 20. You can actually do that. Is it okay? Yeah.
3680.
3680 cm cube. So you can just write like that. Volume very simple.
Only the volume we write as cm cube. Only for volume,
Of course, volume must be cm cube. Of course.
Okay.
Any question? Let me see. No more already. I think this is a toughest one. Okay, are you ready to do it now? All this very easy. Are you ready? Okay, shall we start? Okay, let's start. Yeah. All this very simple. I'm not going to ask you to find the area of parallelogram. I'm very sure you all can do it. Okay, so I'll leave this. Area of the this is a parallelogram. This is your parallelogram. So area of a parallelogram, I'm very sure you all can do it. So don't waste time. Yeah. This one is also a parallelogram because you have all the arrow there, right? But the only difference is they give you the area. You're supposed to find the height. Can you all do it? If you can do it, we'll just skip this. You want to do this or you want to skip this? Okay. Do you want to do this?
Yes.
Okay. Simple. This is a parallelogram. You're supposed to find the height. What is the height of this parallelogram? Very simple, just straightforward. No tricks. No tricks, huh? Give me the formula for a parallelogram.
Base times height.
Base and height.
Base times height, right? Area of parallelogram. Base times height. Okay. What is the base? But in this case, what is the base? 20, right? What is the height?
20.
I don't know it. Don't know.
You
Don't
don't
know yet.
I don't know
you
yet.
know you know the area now.
So must.
Area knows what.
100.
Area is
100
100,
right?
100 square
Can you
cube.
find? So can you find the height?
Height is
Oh,
5 cm.
oh, can.
Right, right?
can.
Yeah, equals to h equals to 100
100 divided by
divided by
20.
20. Yeah, cross multiply.
5.
Yeah.
5.
So it should give you 5. 5 cm. 5 cm what? Cm what?
5 cm.
And it's
No, that's only the height.
CN only.
yeah, because it's a height, just a height only, right? So you cannot put
Mm.
it square. No square, no cube. Okay, no square, no cube. Okay, right. This one easy to do lah. Don't waste time. This is very simple. Okay, same thing. This one giving you the base, giving you the area. You're supposed to find the height. Same thing. No need to do. I'm very sure you applied the same thing. Just apply this. Okay, you get the same thing. Yeah. So no need to do this. Yeah. Don't waste time. Okay, yeah, this is a good question. Maybe just look at this. Yeah. The figure below shows a parallelogram QRST. Yeah. All right, but there's no arrow, isn't it? QRST is a parallelogram, but there's no arrow. So what do you do? In your exam, they tell you that this is a parallelogram, but there is no arrow. What do you do? I'll draw an arrow here. Draw an arrow here. Draw an arrow here. Draw an arrow here. To remind you, this is a parallelogram. Is it okay? All right. So put in whatever they tell you. Put it inside there. Now, QR is 15. QT is 24. QT 24. And SU is 9. Okay. You're supposed to find a parallelogram of QRST. QRST. This is a very good question. Yeah. This is a very good question. Okay. Now, the first thing you're going to do is this. You are going to find this.
Parallelogram.
You are going to find this. Excuse me. QRST. The area of this. I'll just write this. Okay. Now, do you notice something? They purposely give you two height. They actually give you a lot of height, 15, 9, 24, so many. They just want to confuse you.
We ask the
24 times.
Okay.
50.
You're supposed to find the area of parallelogram.
Parallelogram base times
Area of wait. Start wrongly. Area of parallelogram equals to base times height. Okay, what is the base?
15.
Then 15.
Oh, 15. Okay, 15. What is the height?
24.
No.
No.
Height don't know.
24.
No.
Height is in the middle 90 degrees.
What is the height?
24?
No, 24 is not.
No.
No, it's the one that 90. We don't know the height yet.
Oh,
What we
okay.
know is 9 cm.
So how? Manjula, so how to do?
Okay, the height is 9. No, the next one. Oh, okay, 9 cm.
The height is 9 cm. 9. So 15 and 9.
Yeah, because the next question they're asking height BS, so cannot be 9. Cannot be 9 for the rest one. the next question is B and X. So
So-
this
so
one
your-
definitely should be 9.
So what is the base?
The base is 15.
Why 15? Why 15?
QRST.
Yeah, but why your base is 15? I want to know why.
Because the one is bottom also 15 one. Because it's a parallelogram, it's the same.
No, you cannot reason like that, ma. You cannot say it is the same. Yeah, I know it's 15. But why is the base considered as 50 and the height is considered as 9? You must tell yourself, how do you define? Okay,
9 cm is a 90 degree.
yeah. Yeah, you're right. The 90 degree what you just mentioned is correct, you know. You're right. You must tell yourself your base and the height must be 90 degree, right? Am I right? Now you tell yourself, is the 15 and the height are they 90 degree? Are they 90 degree?
No.
No, so this is wrong. The moment you tell me it's not 90 degree, this is wrong already. Yeah. Am I right?
So, but the base is right?
Say again.
Base is also wrong, is it?
Well, one of them is wrong.
I think base is height is 24, base is 15.
Height is 24. Base is 15, height is 24. Are they perpendicular? Is the 15 and the 24
Yes.
perpendicular? You sure? You
Oh,
sure
wait.
perpendicular? This
No.
is-
Perpendicular is only for V and X.
they
X
never
is
put the square sign. So how can it be perpendicular?
No. I don't think so.
9 times 24.
Okay. Can you tell me why you take 9 times 24? Can you explain to me? Explain to me
Base
why
is
9.
9.
What is
Because
9?
got the square,
Oh, okay.
Because they are what? Because they are what?
the square thing.
Perpendicular.
Yeah,
The-
correct. Because of square thing. This
Yeah.
is important.
Square,
You're
the
right.
perpendicular. Yeah,
This is
correct.
very important. So this
Right, it's a
this
perpendicular.
who is the one who said that?
Me,
Who is that? Clever lah you. So nice. This is perpendicular. Yeah, this is perpendicular. So this. So tell me where is the base? Tell me where's the base? Where's the base?
Base is
9.
Well, the height is 9 actually. The base is 24. It doesn't matter which one. You get 24 times 9, right?
Yeah.
So if I take you base times height,
Nine.
the base you must take it as 24. The height is actually 9. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So the answer is this. Is that okay? Yeah. So okay, I'm going to take out everything. I'm going to erase this again. Okay. I'm going to erase this. Take. Okay. So area of parallelogram, you told me already. Base times height, it must be perpendicular. Okay, what is base again?
Base is 9.
What is base?
24.
24. Very good. What is the height, Angela?
9.
Super lah you. Okay, 24 times
I
9.
just learned. I just see from the diagram.
Okay, 24 times 9.
216 cm square.
216 cm. This is area, right? So cm what?
Cm square.
Square. Okay. Now you have the area of the parallelogram. The next question is, you're supposed to find the height. You're supposed to find height of VS. Okay, how do you do this? How to find VS? You have 15, you have 24, you have 9. How to find VS?
Is it that, okay, Mr. Wong, can I check? Is it, if I'm not wrong, so you want to
Yeah.
find VS, the height, is
Yeah.
it two, you have to divide?
Divide what? What divide by what?
Okay.
Half.
Half what? Half what?
That means,
You've now sometimes when they ask you to find the area of the
that's area.
first question, they always
216
you must
divided
make use of A. Make use of A. Somebody might please turn off this. Your mic. Somebody might. Okay, thank you. Now sometimes they give you the A. The reason you ask you to find A after getting 216. There must be a reason why you need to use 216 now. There must be a reason. Okay, so you think in terms of, okay, I found 216 already. How do I make use of 216 to find the height of VS?
So it will take 216 divided by
216 divided by 15 can lah.
216 divided by
15.
15. Very good.
Ah.
Actually, you're right. Actually, you're right. But I want to know how you get 216 divided by 15. You're right. Is it Hajar? Hajar?
Yes,
Yeah,
Hajar.
you're right. You are right. How do you get 216 divided by 15? You get this. Now, I'm going to write this for you. Area of parallelogram is equals to base times height, right? Now, your base can be 15, can be 24. Do you all agree or not?
Yes.
Do you all agree?
Yes,
If you
yes.
take if you take the base as 15, the height will be VS, right?
Mm.
If you take the base as 24, the height will be 9. Do you agree or not?
Yeah.
Yeah, so it depends on which one you take. So right now, I already found what is the area of the parallelogram. The area of the parallelogram is 216. This one cannot change one. Area cannot change. Whether which base you take, the area is always the same. Yeah. Now since I want to find VS, which is in this case, take it as H. Since
VS
I want
is
to
the
find VS, I will take the base as 15, so that I can take the height as VS. VS or H yeah. So in this case, to find the height, which is VS, so VS is equals to 216 divided by 15. What's the answer? 216 divided by 15?
14.4 cm.
14.4 cm.
cm.
Answer, lor. This answer. Yeah. Can you see that?
Why, Mr. Wong, what is VS means?
Oh, VS is actually
Oh.
this one now. VS. VS.
Okay.
Yeah. It's
Yeah, thank you.
just a notation only, just a naming only, that's all.
Okay.
So you all notice something or not? In a parallelogram, it can be any sign, it can be 15 or it can be 29. But when you're taking the base as 15, you must take the height as this one. If you are taking the base as 24, your height must be this one, because the base and the height must be perpendicular. If you take the wrong one, then you're in trouble, lor. Let's say, for example, they say, okay, what is the base? Oh, the base is 15. Oh, what is the height? Oh, 9. Then you're wrong because they are not perpendicular. Can you see that? Yeah. So if you're taking 9, you cannot take 15 as the base. If you're taking the 9, you must take 24 as the base. Can you see it? Yeah.
Yeah.
Very good. Any question before I move on to the next one? And this is interesting. This is a good question, actually. Very good question. They will test you. Yeah.
Mr. Wong,
Yeah.
just now you mentioned, right, 15 divided by 216 divided by 15. Then you said must be a reason, right? So how am I going to explain the reason?
Oh, this one, no reason. The reason is actually the formula area.
Okay.
Area. Yeah. This is the reason. Area of parallelogram is base times height. This is the reason. Area. When you're writing area in this case, there's nothing to reason, because I'm not talking about degree, Remember when you do degree, your reason is supplementary angle, angle on the straight line, alternate angle, corresponding angle, and so on, right? Those reasons you need. But in this case, you don't need, because you're calculating the area. Like in this case, it's just a formula. Area of parallelogram is always based on height. So by itself is already a reason. So no need other reason that you need to add. No need.
Oh, okay. So just now you mentioned about the parallelogram, right?
Program,
The base can be anything, right?
You're
Can be
right.
on top, can be
You're right.
anywhere.
Very good. You're right. It can be anywhere. Yeah. But you see, right now, you look at it very carefully. Okay. You have a 15 and a 24. Can you see you have a 15 and 24?
Yes.
So you can, if you want to take the base as 15, your height must be this one. Oops. I repeat, I erase everything first. If you are taking the base as 15, your height must be VS, the height. Okay? Right?
Okay.
And if you are taking the base as 24, if you are taking the base, the height must be what?
9.
Very
9 cm.
good. Yeah. Why? Because it must be always perpendicular. Can you see the perpendicular thing?
Oh, okay. Now I understand.
Yeah. So if you take the base as 15, the height, this is the height because there's a perpendicular thing.
Oh, okay.
See?
Alright.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you,
Very
Mr.
good.
Wong.
No, no.
Alright.
Any other question? Any other question?
Mr. Wong,
Yeah.
the A, I don't know how to do one actually. The A,
Which one?
area
Uh,
A,
A.
question A.
Oh, question A. You want me to do A for you?
Ah,
Did we do or not just now? A. This one.
oh.
I thought we
Actually,
do
I
already.
not yeah, do already, but I not understand.
Oh, you want me to explain to you again?
Yeah. Thank you.
No problem. Okay, I erase everything first. Then you all can see. Pick out this one first. Okay, I'm going to do area. I'm going to do this one. Okay. I'll erase all this away. Just redo. Just redo. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Erase. Okay. Let's start from this. Now the first question. They ask you to find the area of the parallelogram, isn't it? But I'm going to write down the formula first. Okay. For A. Area of parallelogram. Now, area of parallelogram, you know that the formula is always base times height. Am I right? Yeah. Now, you ask yourself, base times height, which one do you use the base? Do you want to use the 15 or do you want to use the 24? If you want to use the 15, if I use the base as 15, then I must have the height of VS. Am I right? But did they give you VS or not?
No,
So can you find area using this?
cannot.
Cannot. So you cannot use 15. Cannot. Yeah.
Oh,
Cannot because there's no height. Yeah. So I'm going to use the second one. I told you the second base is actually 24, right?
yeah.
24. Well, where is the height? Did they give you the height?
Yeah, 9.
9. That's why you times 9. That's the reason. No?
I know the reason already. Okay,
Yeah.
thank you.
Understand? Yeah.
Yeah, understand.
This is a trick question. I tell you, this is a trick question. Yeah. Yep. Yes. Any other question?
So actually the area is equivalent to 216
Yes.
Correct or not?
Yes. Area is 216. Yeah. 216.
Okay.
Okay, if you don't believe me, just now you find VS, right? Can somebody tell me what is the value of VS? What is VS?
14.4.
14.4.
14.4, right? I'm going to write down 14.4. All right, now you found VS already 14.4. I want you to take the base as 50 and the height is 14.4. Do you get that 216 or not?
Yes.
It's the same, right?
Same.
Yeah.
So the answer.
Yeah.
I
This
know
one also
already.
216. This one also 216. Yeah. Do you notice that? Yeah.
Yes.
Wow, sweet.
So you must use the right one. You get the same answer. Okay, very good. All right. Let's try this one. Yeah. I'm going to type something here first. And
Well, can I try?
Oh, of course. Let's try. Yeah, we all do this together. Okay. OP. Where's MNOP? Okay, y'all look at the diagram very carefully, okay? MNOP. This is a what? This is a parallelogram, they say, right? Did they give you the area? The area of the parallelogram is 300. Okay. You're supposed to find, Yeah. You're supposed to find the height. Okay, write down first. Area of parallelogram. All right, give me the formula based on height, right? You're supposed to find the height, isn't it? You're supposed to find this, right? Yeah.
Yes.
So the height is actually this one. The height is actually this one.
Take 300 divided by 25.
Okay, what is the area of parallelogram? Did they give you? Area of
300.
parallelogram.
Given, sir.
300.
300.
I given
300.
What is the base?
25.
25.
Very good. Very good. It's 25, not 5. 25. 25. What is the height?
I don't know.
You're
So
supposed to
divide 300 divided by 25.
300 divided by 25. Yeah, give you?
12.
12 cm.
12 cm. Okay.
Yeah, I do myself. Wow.
Huh?
I do myself.
Very good.
Yeah.
Okay, now I give you MQ. MQ is 5. Okay, you're supposed to calculate the area of the triangle. MQR. Okay, you're supposed to find this triangle.
Yes.
Area of the triangle. Okay. Okay, give me the formula for area of triangle.
Half times base times height.
Okay.
Height.
Is half base times height.
Height.
What is the base? What is the base of triangle?
5.
5,
5,
5. What is the height of triangle?
12,
How come 12? Can you tell me why
Because-
12?
What do you
Because the
calculate?
height is a perpendicular.
Yeah, the height is perpendicular. Right.
Yeah, 90
So,
degrees.
so in other words, this is
perpendicular.
the height. This is the height of the triangle. This is also the height of the parallelogram. Do you all agree?
Yes.
Yes.
The height of the triangle and the height of the parallelogram is the same. Yeah.
Same.
That's why in the end you get 30, right?
Yes,
30.
correct. Yay. I got it right.
30 cm, 30 cm what?
Square.
20. That's
square.
The same square. Yeah, you don't put a square there minus 1. Yeah.
Yes, I got it right.
Very good.
Yes.
Yeah,
Mr. Wong,
sorry. Hi, John.
just
Yes.
a quick question.
Yep.
Okay, how do we determine whether the height inside the triangle and
Yeah.
the outside is the same? How?
Okay. How do you
how
determine? Good question.
Yeah.
How do you determine? I'm going to take it away, okay? I'm going to take this away. If I ask you, I'm going to draw it out, okay? What is this is a parallel? What is now this is parallelogram. Yeah.
Yeah.
The mic, be very careful on the mic, very noisy. Okay. Now this is a parallelogram, right? Now, if I ask you, what is the height of the parallelogram? The height must always be perpendicular to the base, right? Actually, the height of the parallelogram is this one, you know, this one, the height of the parallelogram. But do you agree that this one and this one is the same?
Yes.
Is it the same? It's the same, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So this is the height of parallelogram. So this is the height of parallelogram. Okay, I take away this one. I take away this one. Now I look at the triangle. Okay. What is the height of the triangle? The height of the triangle is always from the top to the bottom. So it must be from the bottom. It must be from here. To here, 90 degrees. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. But do you agree that this one is also the same as this one?
Oh.
Is it the same?
Yes.
That's
Yeah.
why I say this one is both for the parallelogram and also for the triangle.
Oh.
In fact, if I draw you another one, Haja, if I draw another one, okay. Now, if I ask you, I'm going to draw another triangle for you, okay? Okay, I'm going to draw a triangle. Can you see this triangle?
Mm-mm.
Can you see this triangle?
Yes.
Can you tell me where is the height of the triangle?
Again?
Where is the height of the triangle?
Where's the what?
Yeah, the height of the triangle, is it this one? The height of the triangle, do you agree with me that it's actually this one?
In the
Yes.
middle.
Yes.
But do you
Yes.
see that this one and this one is also the same? You know?
Yes, I
Yeah.
agree.
Yeah.
Yeah. So all the triangle inside the line, it can be this one, 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 it can be anywhere, but the height is all the same. You know?
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay. Now I
But
understand.
Haja, if I draw a triangle like that, the height same or not?
No, it's not.
Different.
Why? Because come out already. This one come out already.
Yes.
So cannot. It must be inside the line. Yeah. It must be inside the line. Is it okay?
Yes. It's okay.
Any other question?
So far, no.
All right.
That's
That's
all.
good.
Yep.
Any others? And anyone?
No
Interesting.
question.
No question. We move on. Okay. I find an interesting one. So easy one. Don't do lah. Don't waste time. This one. Don't waste time lah. Yeah. Don't know whether you can do this. Height of triangle parallelogram. Yeah, try this lah. You all try this or you all skip this one? Anybody? The height of the triangle DEC. DEC. Okay. Oh no, just very easy lah, Tuan lah. Trapezium. Trapezium, you all can do half base times side, right? Don't waste time. Yeah. Half A plus B times. Okay. Trapezium. All this very easy. I don't want to waste time lah. Okay. This one. I take away first. You all do this for me, please. Let me read the question to you. Okay. The area of a trapezium is 110. The height is 5 cm. What is the sum of the parallel side. Ah, very interesting. So I draw a trapezium for you lah. Okay, like that lah. Yeah, I'm going to draw a trapezium for you. Not very nice, but something like that. Okay, parallel. This one must be parallel. Okay, the height of the trapezium is 5 cm. 5 cm. 90 degree. Okay. You're supposed to find the sum of the parallel side. That means you are supposed to find what is the total length of here and here. What is the total length? That's your question. Okay. Can you do this for me, please? What is the total length of the trapezium? You're supposed to find the sum of the parallel side. Yeah. So they give you the height of the trapezium is 5. Did they give you the area of the trapezium or not? Hello?
Yes.
Did they give you the area of trapezium?
Yeah,
100.
Yeah. 110.
Now,
area.
you're supposed to find the total length of this one. This plus this. That's the question. Find the sum of the parallel side. Can you see the sum? The sum of the parallel side is actually the top plus the bottom, isn't it? Am I right?
I think 44.
Answer. Do you have the answer?
I think 44.
Okay, right now 44 first, on top.
Yeah.
Okay. Area of trapezium, T-R-A-P-Z. Trapezium, okay? T-R-A-Z-P, actually T-R-A-Z-P, not trap. T-R-A-Z, trapezium, trapezium, Z-E-P, yeah. Okay. Equals to half A plus B
Half times A plus B times height.
What is the area of trapezium?
110 cm square.
Wrong spelling.
I think it's 3RAPZ, Mr. Wong.
Yeah.
Trapezium,
Okay, what?
right?
Yeah, 110, right? 110
Yeah.
equals to half A plus B. You're supposed to find, isn't it? Right?
Yeah. So,
So you need to fit there, no? Yeah. So is the height given or not? The height?
yes, 5.
The height is 5. So I'm going to count 5 times 5.
Yes.
100 equals to 5 over 2 A plus B, right? All right. Let's multiply. You have 110 times 2 by 5 equals to A plus B, right? What's the?
Times 2.
Yeah, 2 times 5, 5, 2 times 5, 10.
10 times 2 divided by 5.
44. A plus B equal to 44, agree?
Times 2.
Confirm for me, please.
44.
44, right? So, answer the first answer is this the sum one. The sum of the two sides is A plus B. So you don't need to do
Yeah, so
anything.
44 plus 44.
No, 44. 44 plus 44.
Just 44 only.
Yeah, because the sum.
A plus B is the
Yeah,
answer for
A plus B is the answer. Yeah. This is A. This is B. A plus B is 44. Yeah, no need to. Yeah, you cannot times 2 or divide by 2. Yeah. So the first answer is found already, 44. Yeah. Now you're supposed to find the length of the. What is the length of the longest side if the shortest side is 19? So you're supposed to find B. So the shortest side they give you 19. So can you find B or not?
Yeah.
So this is A.
Can.
How do you find? Okay, Hajar, your 44 is correct, Hajar.
Oh,
Hajar,
okay.
your 44 is correct. Okay, very good. Okay, B. B. Now, yes. Now they already tell you, right? The shorter side is 19. You're supposed to find the longer side, B lah. So you know that A plus B is equals to 44, right? What is A? A is 19, right? 19
44
plus
divided by
3,
19.
44. Where got divide? You got 44
Eh,
divided by 19.
oh,
Oh,
19.
minus.
Yeah, minus 44
Yes,
minus
no.
19.
Minus 19. Oh,
Ah,
okay. Oh, because crossover.
25, sir.
Sorry,
Okay.
20?
25.
25.
Yes, sir.
Okay, 25. 25 what? 25 what?
CM, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Must put CM. I was scared of CM. CM.
Oh, yeah, correct.
yeah, this is correct. Your answer is correct. Yeah. So that's it. Yeah. This
Oh,
answer,
my.
second answer, first answer, second answer. Very easy, right? You just understand what's the question. Like.
5.
Yeah. Okay, wait.
Crossover will be
One
minus.
more, then we go for a break. Yeah. This is a composite figure. Very interesting. Yeah. This is a
Triangle and
Huh?
trapezoid.
Yeah. Yeah. All right. Now this is a composite figure. How come? You have you have a triangle and a trapezium, right? Manjula, I just heard you mentioning, isn't it? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Triangle and trapezoid.
Okay. Oh, let us find the first question first. You're supposed to find the total area and the parameter. You look at this diagram. Let us do one first. Okay. Let us do the parameter first. Because the parameter is an easy one. Let us find the parameter first. So P equals to what?
P equals to 25 plus
5 plus 17
17
plus
plus
12
12 plus
and
plus
13.
30 plus
30.
30, right? Plus
Plus 30 only because it's only
No
on the
more.
outside.
no more. Why 20? Why you don't plus? Why you don't plus 20?
That one
Because 20
inside.
is inside.
Very
It's,
good.
90.
You don't plus inside. Yeah, you only plus outside. Correct. They just want to trick you only now. Okay. So what's the answer?
84.
54.
54.
84.
54 what?
84.
84, sorry. 84.
84 cm.
84,
cm.
84 cm.
84 cm. Okay, now let us find the area, then we go for a short break. Now, the area of this composite figure, you're going to find one at a time. Am I right? Which one do you want to do first?
Triangle.
Triangle.
Triangle first. Let me think. Let me think. Triangle easy, man. You sure triangle can? I also cannot.
Triangle, area of triangle is half base times height.
But what is the base of triangle?
Base of triangle is half divided by 2 is 15.
Huh?
30
Oh.
divided by 2.
Why 15? Why 15?
Trapezoid.
Because it's half. It's a triangle.
How do you know it's half?
Because
Yeah, we don't know. We don't know half.
Actually, you know.
No.
because it's a 90 degrees and
Oh.
also 30 divided by 2 because the whole thing covered the triangle and
The line.
and the base.
The line.
Yeah, because of the
The line.
line.
Line. I saw the
Line.
line. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
So it's 15 and 15. So it's
this
total
one-
30.
Can you tell me what this one means? Can someone tell me what does this one mean?
Both sides are
Means
equal,
that
sir.
Both sides are the same.
Very
Both sides
good. Both
Both sides are
sides are
equal, sir.
equal. When both sides are equal, they are what? 15?
15 and
15.
15.
Okay, let us do the
Yes.
triangle first. Area of triangle. Answer? This is B. Here, half what?
And base
Half
time.
base times
Half
height, right?
times.
Okay, what is the base?
5.
What is base?
Base.
Base is
15.
15.
What's the height? What's the height?
Height is 20.
20, sir.
20.
Very good.
It becomes smart
10, 150, right? 110, is it? 150, isn't it?
150
cm square, right?
cm
Okay.
square.
Now you have the triangle. You have done this already. This is done. This is done, right?
Yeah.
Done. Now what is the next one? Manjula, what's the next one?
Next one is find the area of the trapezium.
Very good. Yes. Area of
Trapezium.
TEZ equals to half A plus B.
F plus B.
Answer.
Height.
Okay. What is A plus B?
20 plus
20 plus.
12.
Very good. What is the height? What's the height?
20.
I think. No,
Height. Height is 15. 15.
Yes, 15. Don't
15.
get 3. Don't get 3. It's 15. Yes, this is the height
Oh,
of the
when you see
trapezium.
the other side.
Ah, yeah, yeah.
You see the other side. Yeah, you just see the other side. So equals to half 32 times 15. Someone give me an answer, please. 16 times 15. 16 on the 2, 16. On the
240
240 cm.
m square.
What is the total area?
390.
390.
Plus 150.
150 plus 240 give you
390.
390
cm square.
yeah. Okay, you all deserve a break.
Yes.
Okay, the time is 8:30. Yeah, I will see you guys at 8:45. Okay. You're supposed to find the total area of the now it's two things you need to do. The first thing you need to do is your perimeter. The perimeter. The second one is the area. So which one you want to do first?
Perimeter first, sir.
Perimeter is supposed to be easier, right?
Yeah.
Perimeter.
Okay.
Yeah.
Right. So if I'm going to do the perimeter, this one no problem. If I ask you to do the perimeter, you probably take. Okay, tell me what you need to take a perimeter. Tell me first. Yeah.
Perimeter is to add all the outside.
All right. Give me the perimeter, please. Yeah.
10 plus 12 plus.
12. 12 plus.
Okay, 12 plus
11.7.
11.7.
18.
18
10, sir.
plus 10.
You cannot plus 10. Cannot.
Cannot plus 10.
Cannot plus 10.
Oh, that one is
Oh, no, sir. Only area.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm sorry. I know. Oh, okay.
You cannot plus 10. So what do you do? Yeah.
so just only take the 3 numbers.
Cannot just take the 3
Cannot,
numbers. Cannot. So what do you do?
Calculate the half of the circle,
Yes,
then
correct.
minus.
Must be Haja, is it? Is it Haja? Yeah,
Yes.
right. You must calculate this. Correct. Haja is right. You need to calculate
Okay,
this.
yeah.
So in other words, you need to add 12
So that one is
plus.
not.
Yeah. You need to add 12 plus 11.7 plus 18, and then you add the half circumference of the circle.
Circumference of circle.
Half. Yeah. So okay, now you need the circumference. I'll use it as a C because I don't know what is C, right? I'll take it as a C, okay? So I'll take C as the circumference of the circle. So circumference of the circle is equals to 2 pi r. Is a half circumference, right? Divide by 2. Yeah. Which is equals to 2 I cancel lah, because 2 I cancel, right?
Yeah,
Left equals to 3.142, is it?
Yeah.
3.142. What is R?
10.
Cannot be 10. 10 is
no.
a pi.
5.
5.
5.
Yeah. 5, correct. You must be
5
careful. Yeah, it's 5. Okay, what is 3.142 times 5? Sorry. What is 3.142 times 5?
15.71.
15.71.
71, yeah.
Okay, cm. So your parameter, so this is C lor. So your parameter is equals to 12 plus 11.5, 1.7 plus 18 plus 15.71. That will be your answer. Okay, what's the answer? What's the answer, please? Hello, anybody?
57.4, sir.
57.41.
57.4
cm.
Okay. Now we're going to calculate the area. Okay, tell me what you want to do. How do you calculate this area?
The area of the shaded part, is it?
Yeah, area of shaded part. How do you do this?
Area of shaded. Is it a trapezium? Is it
the area is actually the area of the shaded part, but you can see that this one look like a trapezium, right?
Trapezium.
Am I right? So what do you want to do first? What do you think the
We
first
take trapezium.
Calculate the base and the
Calculate the
height,
base.
then minus out the circle.
Very good. First of all, you calculate the trapezium first, right? And then you minus the half area of the circle, isn't it? Yeah. So what you do is the first thing you need to do this. Calculate the area of the trapezium. Can you find the area of the trapezium? Or maybe I use a red.
Yeah, 12 plus 18. The height is 11.7.
So this one, the area of the trapezium, this is the trapezium. Okay. So calculate the area of trapezium first. So area of trapezium equals to
Half times.
of trapezium equals to half what?
Half times 12
12
plus
plus
18.
18
18 times.
times 10.
Very good. 10, you're right. The height is the 10. Give me the answer, please. 20, this is 20, 1 to 30, right? So 30, 50, 150, isn't it? Is it 150? Can you confirm? 150 cm. Is it confirmed? Somebody confirm, please.
30 times 10. Yeah.
Yes, sir. 150.
150, right? Okay. Now you have the area of trapezium already. Now what do you do next? Tell me. Haja, that's what do you mention? What do you do next, Haja?
I minus out 15.71.
Oh, you oh,
150
no.
Uh,
No, you can't minus 15.71.
oh,
15.71 is the
I minus out the circumference of the.
you cannot minus the circumference. You cannot minus the circumference.
Oh, cannot. Oh,
Cannot. You must find the area of the
So you must
half
take
circle.
150
Yeah.
Oh.
minus
You
1.5.
must- No,
15.7 to find the area of shaded area.
No. You must find the area of the half circle.
oh,
Okay.
Minus the circle.
Your area has nothing to do with circumference. You must find the area of the half circle. So the area of half circle is equals to pi r,
R
square.
square.
right? What is
Yeah.
what is r? Okay, what is r? A Li-Ling, is it? What is r, Li-Ling?
5.
5. 5 square divided by 2, right? Am I
Yeah.
right? Okay,
Yes.
give me this answer, please. Okay, pi must be
3.148.
2. Yeah.
That means
5 square.
20.1 times 25 divided by 2. $39.275.
Somebody
39.275 cm.
39 point.
275.
Yeah.
Is it correct?
Yeah.
Okay, square. Now this is the area of the half circle, right? Now find the area of the shaded part. It will be
So you have to
area
150 minus
part equals to
39.
150 minus 39.275. Answer
110
111,
11
0.7
10.725.
Yeah.
Somebody confirm, please.
110.725.
110.2725. Okay, this is the answer.
yeah, confirm.
Confirm. Okay. Now you see, you cannot mix. All of you cannot mix circumference of the circle and the area of the circle are two different things. Okay. Circumference is actually look at the length of the circle. Circumference. Area of the circle, half circle, look at the area. Different. They are totally different. Okay. Right. So you can't mix them. Okay. Now this is three significant figure. Actually exactly 110.725 exactly. Li-Ling, is it exactly?
725. Yeah.
Yeah.
Exactly. Okay.
Yeah.
This. Oh, three
128.
significant figure. This is
Triple one, sir.
118.
Oh,
no.
Triple one.
Three significant. Yeah, it should be triple one. Three
Triple one.
significant.
1.
Yeah,
Not the
111.
7.
Yeah,
111.
111. Why 111? Why?
Yeah.
Why?
Three
Because
significant
the
figure.
7 is
7.
over.
game over.
Carry forward.
Correct. Yeah. 111 cm square. Okay. Okay, this one very easy. This one also can do. I don't want to do this kind. It's the same thing, right? Trapezium and a half circle, isn't it? Same thing, So we don't do this, okay? I'm very sure y'all can do it. Y'all must do it on your own, So we cannot waste time on this. This one also can, it's the same, This one is a half circle. This is a half circle. This is a half circle. I'm very sure you can do it also the same, okay? Half circle minus a half circle plus this one, you have the total area. Do you agree?
Agree.
Yeah, so y'all do it on your own. Y'all can do it, okay? I don't waste time on this also. Or you want me to do it or not? Y'all can do it. Okay. Can y'all do it yourself or you want me to do it? Yeah.
But this one do it, just one more, just
I
can do
think,
it, but you see,
okay. Another one is it?
Now
Okay.
you can go together, go through together.
Yeah. I need to go to. Okay. Let's do this. I thought I'll give you another. Okay. Now you're supposed to find the two things also, same thing. Let us find the area, the parameter of the figure first, okay? So you need to do this, add this parameter, you need to add this plus this plus this plus this plus this. Am I right?
Yeah.
Okay. Look, shall we find the parameter of the circumference of the big circle first? Is that okay?
Yes.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
I'm going to do one at a time. I'm going to find the circumference of the big circle. So I'm going to draw this. I'm going to draw this for you. Yeah. Okay. Let's do circumference of the circumference of the half big circle. Is it okay? Half circle, half big circle.
Big.
I call it half big circle, can or not?
Can.
Circumference of the half big circle
Half big
equals
circle.
to 2 half big circle. Half is only half. Right? Because there are two circles. One is inside, one is on top, one is below, right? Yeah. So equals to 2. Okay, you tell me. Right. Answer? Half circumference of a half big circle.
2 pi
Somebody
r
please.
divided by 2.
Very good. 2 pi r. I use
R
r
Divided
divided by 2. Okay.
So
Okay.
it's cancel is
2
5
times 3 point. Actually no need 2
No.
lah. You know why no need not? Because you cancel away ma. Cancel
is
away,
R.
right? So it's 3.142 times. What is r?
4.
Huh?
Radius
8.
Say again.
8.
Living?
8.
8.
Radius.
It's 8. It's not 4. It's 8.
Half.
Yeah.
Oh, radius.
Because half of the big circle is 8,
Okay.
you know. Yeah.
Ah.
So 8 here, right? Yeah, 8, isn't it? So 3.142 times 8. Somebody?
25.136
25.136. 25
cm.
6 cm. Okay, now a circumference of the half small circle. Circumference of the half small circle
Same.
equals to
The same.
2 pi r divided by 2 also, right? Same, isn't it?
Yeah.
You cancel the 2, give you 3.142 times what is r?
4. 4. 4.
Say again. Very good. 4. Yeah, not 8, not 8. This time is 4
just
because he
small.
only takes half of it only. Yeah, it's 4. Very good. Okay. 2 times 4, 8. 4 times 4, 16.5, 12, right? 12.568, isn't it? Can you confirm?
12.568.
Okay. Now you can find the parameter of the figure already. So parameter of the figure is equals to the big one plus the small one. 2.5. Is it not 2.5? 25. Sorry. It's 25.36 plus 12.568 plus some more.
Plus 14.
Plus 14. Some more.
40, then another plus 4.
8.
Plus 14 plus 8.
8. The outside
Plus
one.
8 plus
8.
any more?
8 outside, 8.
Plus 14 plus 8 plus
For 14 also, because here 14 is also 14, right?
yeah, two
Yeah,
side
14.
14.
Yeah, two
correct.
side 14.
14.
Two side 14. Correct. So 25.136 plus 12.568 plus 14 plus 8 plus 14. Because two side ma, you have one side here, you have one side here, and another side there. There are two sides there. Two sides.
So
Yeah.
total 5 sides.
Correct. So you have 14 plus 14. Excuse me. Answer?
73.704.
Excuse me. Answer, please.
73.704.
73.704.
704.
Okay. Is there any three significant place? Three also have, right?
Yeah, 3.
Okay.
One, two,
If it's three
three.
significant place, what's
74.
answer?
74.
Very good.
7
73.
1,
point
3, 1, 2,
7.
3. Oh, 73.7.
7.
Yeah, 73.7. Three
Zero.
significant place.
Yeah.
Correct. 73.7. You cannot take 74. 74 is actually two significant place only, no?
Yeah,
But that's
why
not the end, right? This is actually the parameter. Now I don't want parameter. Okay, I want area. Yeah. Okay, give me the area. One at a time. Area.
area of
Okay, which one you want to calculate first?
that-
Shall we? Can we
Triangle
calculate the
first.
area of the big half area of the big half
Circle.
circle? Is it okay?
big
Okay.
Equals to
circle.
formula, please.
Area of circle is pi r square.
Pi r square, right?
Square, yeah.
By 2. Divide by
Equals to 3.142. What is r? What is r?
R is
8.
8 square. Answer. Oh, I forgot something.
8, 16.
For that one
I
need to
forgot
divide,
something.
divide by
Times
2.
16.
I must divide by 2. Yes. I forgot divide by 2. Half. I already say half already. Forgot divide by 2. Okay, 3.142 times 8 square divided by 2.
100.544.
100.544.
Oh.
Somebody check, please. 100.544 centimeter square. That's a half big circle, right? 100.544 cm square. First one. Now, why do I want to do that? I actually want to find the total area. Why do I want to find the total area? I want to find the big circle first, ma. Then after that, I find the small circle, right? Now I'm going to find the small circle, and then I minus away, isn't it?
Area of the half small circle.
Of small half circle
Half small circle.
equals to pi r square divided by 2. Yeah. Okay. 3.142. What is r?
4.
Very good.
Square.
4 divide
4 square divided by 2.
2. Calculator.
Times 16.
4 number 4, 16, 8 times 3.142.
25.
25.
25.136 also.
6.
25.136 cm square, is it?
Yes.
Is it correct?
But
Okay, now yes. So now the total area of the figure, now the total area, okay. Now I'm gonna take the big one. I'm gonna take the big wait. No, not yet. Let's count the rectangle first, okay? There's a rectangle. Okay, right, there's a rectangle, isn't it?
Oh, so much.
You need to right now you need to find this. You need to find this one. You need to find this one, this one, okay? Okay. Total area of the rectangle. Area of rectangle is equals to base times height, right?
Yeah.
What is base?
Base is
8.
4.
8.
Huh?
Because that's only half, ma.
What is the base?
4.
8.
4?
Term.
8.
4. 8 ah.
8.
8 times
Ah,
14.
Yeah. 8 times 14, correct. This is 8
Because
what?
Mr. Wong,
This is
because
Huh?
okay, can I know how you get 8? Because just now you said that 8 then must half it should be 4. If it's the
No.
this side it's 4,
No,
then bottom
no,
also
no,
must be 4.
no. Now it's
Here
nothing
is
to do
an
with the circle. Now it has nothing to do with the circle. I'm talking about what is the rectangle. This is 8 what? They already tell you this is 8. 8 here. 8 here, lor. 8, 8 what? How do you know it's 8, 8? How do you know?
5 meter ma.
How do you know it's 8, 8? Because this is, can you see this now?
The radius
Can you
is
see-
8.
Yeah, this is 8. This is 8, right?
But, it's,
So two sides the same, 8, 8 what? If
but
this
this
is
line is
8,
bigger than this one smaller, that's why.
this must also be
Drawing
8,
is
isn't
bigger
it?
than the one small.
Not
right?
only that, sir. They also give the parallel. They can say this 8, that one be 8.
Huh? Say again?
He's right, sir. He's right, because they have a parallel line there also too. Just now circle, teacher. The parallel 8 14 times 8. 8 times
14
14.
times 8.
Yeah.
No, I'm saying in terms of saying the two line there's a two line both side. They mean both side the same. 8 cm.
Yeah,
8
both
cm.
sides the same.
Yeah.
Right.
Because
Yeah,
of the
both sides
signs,
the same.
I'm referring to the parallel.
Yes, correct.
Thank you, sir.
Correct. Yeah, because it's parallel line, so it shows that two sides the same. So it's actually 8 times 14. What is 8 times 14?
112.
1 cm square. So all right, now find the total area. The total area will be the big circle minus the
Plus.
small, right? Minus, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so now I'm going to do is area of the big circle. Wow. Area of total area. Total area is equals to the big circle is 100.544, right? 100.544. Over here. Yeah. Minus the smaller one, isn't it? The big
Yes.
one minus the small one, okay? So you will have 170 what? 25.136, right?
Yeah.
5.136, and then you must plus the rectangle, isn't it? Oh no. This is the rectangle. Oh, the rectangle is actually 112, isn't it? Plus 112. Am I right?
Yes.
Do you agree now? Anyone? How come the sound breaking? I'm looking for sound breaking. I don't know whether is it my. Okay. You'll get this answer. 100.544 minus 25.136 plus the area of the rectangle, you get 112. Yeah. I'm going to take out my calculator. Yeah. Anyone got any answer now? Can you give me an answer?
Sir,
Yeah.
can I
Jeffrey?
check with you? Total area is the shaded area, right?
Correct.
But
Correct.
why you want to minus the small circle? Small circle
Very
is not shaded.
Very good. A very good question. Why do you mind?
Yeah.
I tell you why. I tell you why. You see, you want the shaded area. You first of
Yeah.
all, you need to find the area of the big circle first. You got no choice, right? You got to
Or you find the whole circle, huh,
you got to
actually.
find the
Oh,
whole
okay,
circle.
okay.
You got no choice. Then after
Yeah,
that,
yeah,
you
yeah.
find, then you got to minus this one away, isn't it?
Yeah. I see. Okay, okay.
Okay.
Thanks.
That's very good. Any other question? Yeah.
187, sir. Answer.
18.
187.408.
8 cm square. Yeah, right. Okay. Okay, yours absorb a little bit first. Yeah. This one, okay lah, not difficult lah. I'm going to give you another one lah. Okay. Okay, another one Yeah. I'm going to give you one, then you'll do. Okay, you're supposed to find the total surface area. Okay, give me this. This one. I want you I want you to do this. Give me the total surface area. Now, this one, there's a line there because when I print, when I scan, the line didn't come up. So there's a line here. Yeah. Okay, give me the total surface area of this. Y'all do first, huh? Y'all do first. Okay, that's what I want. I want a new page. Yeah. So the first thing you do is you can't. If I ask you to find the total surface area, how do you name them, isn't it? So there are many ways. So let us name together, okay? I shall name. It's easier to do if you put all the ABC, you know. So this is. I'll call this. I'll start from here lah. A. We all name standard lah. All name standard. A. B. There's a line there. Okay, C, A, B. Wow, very difficult. A, B, C, D. Wow, quite difficult. A, B, C, D, E, F. Is it okay? Yeah. A, B, C, D, E, F.
So I think A, B, you put at the 10 cm there, right? Then B and C should be at the bottom. That would be accurate.
Where?
You know, you put the A at the 15 cm below, right? Then 10 cm is B. Then all the way straight the bottom, that one cannot be C. Below the 6 cm.
Yeah, it can put anywhere you like lah. I thought I was going to put one side.
Because we are confused.
No, actually this is easier. Like, you put this way easier. No, one
easier.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, E, F, G, H. H is here. I, J. Is it okay? So far, is it okay? J. But behind there's one more. Behind there's one more. Okay, don't care about the back lah. Okay. Okay, this one later on you need to put something here now. I'll put this one as A, J. I'll put that as Z. This one is Z here. Is it okay?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I need to break the two into half All right, let's do together. Can I do A? Can I do A? Okay, area of your see whether I can see or not. Okay. Okay, this is the last one. This is the last one before we go. You're at home, no? I'm in office so I got to travel back. Okay, area of I'm going to start with area A, F, E, Z. Can you see or not? A, F, E, Z. That means I'm going to do this now. The first one I'm going to do is this one. This one, okay? Here, and all the way down. First one. Can or not?
Can.
A, F, E, Z. Can you see? Can you see or not?
Can.
Okay, what is A, F, E, Z? Oh. A, F, E, Z. Hang on. Wait, 3. Oh, can. Okay. What A, F, E, Z? Lillian, can you give to me, please? 15.
By 3.
Very good. Give you what? 45.
Ah.
Oh, is it 45? No, 75. 75, right? CM? Where?
What? 15 by 3?
45.
45.
15 times 3 30.
45.
Allah.
45.
Yeah.
45.
This is called tired, okay? This is called tired. My mind cannot think. 45, yeah. Anyhow, that's all the test also. Okay, the next one, area of. Now I'm going to do the next one. The next one is I'll use a different color. The next time I'm going to do this. C, D, Z, B. Can or not?
Can.
Can, sir.
Yeah,
See,
can.
see, I do one by one, you see.
C,
Area
D, Z.
of,
That.
yeah, I underline this one first. This one we need, okay? Area of C, D, Z,
C,
B.
D, Z.
equals to,
Z, B.
yeah, equals to what?
C, what else?
7.
C, D, Z, B. I'm
7,
still
7,
writing, so many, no.
7.
very good. Why 7?
10 minus 3.
Yes, you need to minus away, because this is 7, okay? You need to 10 minus 3, then you get a CD, which is 7, okay?
So one by one, because I don't
Yeah,
have
do one by one.
so many boxes.
Yeah,
Where?
7 times what?
CD,
CD.
ZB. Okay.
Is 7 times what? 7
6.
times what? Very good. 7 times 6. Give you what?
6.
42.
cm
Okay.
square.
Okay. Can I say that this one, the other side is times 2, right? Because the other side is the same, so can I times 2
Mr.
or
Wong,
not?
sorry, I'm going a bit fast.
Can, sir. Can.
Can,
Yeah,
right? Because
Opposite
because
side can. Yeah.
opposite is the same. So the opposite side, is also equals to 42 cm square. Do you agree?
Agree.
Mr. Wong can slowly a bit because you're going too fast. I don't understand.
Oh, okay. I slow down. Yeah.
Because you're keeping saying the answer, then I also don't know how to get all this.
So far okay or not? So far I just stop here for a while.
CDZB. Okay, so your CDZB is, that means okay.
I'll
Bottom is 10.
use
10 minus
I will use the word opposite side of, because behind not enough you can't see so okay, don't say. So this one when you draw like that can I say that you must draw like that?
Yeah, better.
Better so I don't use opposite, I use the word Y. Can or not? Y. What do you want to use? G-H-I-J-K. K, this is K. Behind is K. Yeah. So I will use area of G H I J K equals to also 42. Same side same side. G H I J K I. Okay, I missed something this one there's something here now. G H I J actually cannot be. Wait. I missed something. I changed. I go and change something. Okay. This is supposed to be J. This is supposed to be J. J. This is supposed to be K. I think put a K here. K. So that one is L.
We got K.
Yeah, because I missed one. This is supposed to be L. So GHIJKL. IJKL. Yeah. GHIJKL. Also 42. Yeah. Can you see?
Yes, sir. Correct.
Same or not?
Same.
Correct or not?
Correct, sir.
Now,
Opposite side, correct.
now see very carefully. GHIJKL also 42 because the front and the back is the same, isn't it? Right?
Yeah.
Okay, so two sides the same already. Now I'm going to use the top side. Now, can you give me the next one? Area. What is the area of EFGH? EF, the top. EFGH. That means the top. This one.
Mr. Wong.
Yeah.
The GHIJKL is 42, man.
GHIJKL is 4. Oh, yeah, it's not 42. It's 45 plus 42.
Include, is it?
Yeah, it's okay. GHIJKL is 45 plus 42.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. It's 45 plus 42. Am I right? Am I right?
Yeah.
Because if you add 2 together, no, 45 plus 42, right? It give you 87.
Square.
Yeah, you're right. Thanks for bringing it up, It's actually 45 plus 42. Yeah. Am I right?
Yeah.
Are the rest okay or not?
So I really
Hello?
cannot understand. No, I really cannot understand. I can tell you.
Sir,
Yeah,
Yeah.
we are so confused. I don't know.
can I just use 15 times 10?
15 times 10 cannot. You know why not?
Because
you know
there's a
why?
3.
Because this one there is this missing. This one is missing. So you cannot take 15 times 10. You understand that, Jeffrey?
Yeah, 15 times 10
Yeah.
is different answer.
Yeah, different than that is different. But you have the whole thing. You cannot use unless you minus the box. But I tell you lah, you minus the box very tough. Don't minus over
Yeah.
here. So you should take one box at a time. Am I right, Jeffrey? You can see that, right? That is why I need to break up the 2 box. That is the reason why I need to break up the 2 box. Yeah.
Okay.
So now, okay, now I say again, I want you to start all over again. Can you see that AFEZ, AFDZZ is the orange one. Look at AFEZ, the first one. AFZZ, this one. AFEZ is actually this one. First one. AFEZ is actually this one. Okay? Yeah. So after that, I follow by CDZB. CDZB is this one. Am I right?
Yes,
Two
sir.
already now. But then at the back, the other side, GHIJKL, is actually the sum of 45 plus 42, isn't it?
You
It's
must add
45.
together. Yeah.
Yeah, you must add together, right? Yeah, that's why you have 87. Yeah, so you have the third one already. Yeah, you have the third one. Yeah. Now I'm going to do the top, EFGH. Can you see EFGH on top? I'm going to do this now.
Yeah.
Can, okay.
30 times 3.
Give me, say again? 30 times 3, right?
30
Very
times 3, 90, sir.
90. Okay. Can I do next one? Correct. I'm going to do the next one area. The next one is, can you see this one? This one, okay? This is CDIJ. CDIJ. Can you give me CDIJ?
CDIJ. CDIJ is 30 times
7.
30 times 7. Very good. 30
How get 7?
times 7. 7 is 10 minus 3. This is 10 minus 3. 30 times 7 is what? 210, right?
0.
Am I?
But
Hey,
actually,
Ban,
it's the same what Mr. Wong. You see, EFGH also 30 times 3. Then also it comes, the bottom also the same, So 30 times 3, what? 577.
This one where got 3? This one where got 3?
On top also 3.
It's
also
not the same.
Top is 3
It's
doesn't
not
mean
the
the
same.
right? It's not the same. Yeah. It's not the same. This is 3. This is 3. This one is 3. This is 3. Okay. How can this one be 3 also? This one cannot be 3. What? This is 7. Yeah. You need to 10 minus
10
then you
minus
get a
3.
7.
7.
Yeah, it's 7. You cannot get a 3. Yeah, am I right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now the next one, now the bottom base. The bottom base is, can somebody tell me the bottom base area of A, B, K, K, L? What is A, B, K, L? Somebody give me, please.
10 times 30.
10 times 30. Okay, very good. 10 times 30. Give you 300, right?
Yeah.
100 cm square. Okay. Now,
Mr. Wong, can I look at the L? I cannot see your L.
what L? L is behind. L is behind, ma. Can you remember just now? L is behind. L is here.
I cannot see your L. That's why.
L is here. L behind. A, B, K, L behind. Yeah. I make it black. So right now I'm going to do at the back. At the back. This is another one. At the back is a area of. Can you look very carefully. A, L, F, G. Can see or not?
Can.
Can see it? Here, behind, right? Behind, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay. What is behind? Tell me.
15 times
15
30.
times 30. Very good. Answer? 450, right?
50.
50 cm. Yeah, can you
Square.
confirm? Correct.
Yeah.
Okay.
Correct.
Now you look very carefully. Do you agree that the front, this one, and this one is the same as 450 add together? Do you agree now? This area plus this area is the same as behind 450. It's the same area. It's the same as 450. Do you agree now? Agree? Do you agree? I repeat. Do you agree that this area, this one, and this plus this one is equals to 450 at the back, exactly the same.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
You can see, right?
Yes, sir. You see.
Very good.
15 times 30.
Yeah,
450.
so it's the same as 450, no? So I would say, I'll write down, okay, area, this is what, DEHI, right? Area
Yeah.
DEHI plus BCJK also equals to 450 total. Also equals to 450, right?
Yeah.
Is it? Okay, all you need to do is right now take out your calculator to total area, and then we can go home already. Total area. Total area. Can you add up all together? 45 plus 42 plus 87 plus 90 plus 210 plus 300 plus 450 plus 450. You have the total answer.
6, 7, 4.
Answer?
Mr. Wang, you put the area what? DEFI.
Which one?
Or the 400
Last one.
square. You put there plus BCJK, right?
Yeah. Area
Where is that?
DEFI, yeah.
Oh,
Yeah,
DEFI, is it? Oh, okay.
DEFI. No. DEHI, my mistake. Sorry, yeah, right, Manjula. DEHI.
Okay.
DEHI. Yeah. And BCJK, yeah. DEHI.
1, 6, 7,
One what? 1,
6.
6.
1674, is it?
Yeah.
Correct.
7, 4.
Yeah.
1674.
1674.
1674.
Yes, sir.
74.1. So, no more.
CM square.
Okay.
No
this is
more.
the answer. No more. This is your final answer, my friend.
Sir, but this one need a lot of imagination, sir. Because
Yeah, you got to use a lot of imagination. Okay, I want you to do this. I am going to post this on the YouTube again. Okay, so y'all go and, for those who are not sure, please go and watch it again. Is it okay or not?
can, sir. Very
Yeah.
kind of you, sir. You have to go back home also, right? Very kind
Yeah.
of you.
Yeah. Okay, we shall stop here. I'll see you next week.